Hi there, welcome to this video on algebraic fractions. Going to look at a couple of exam style questions. So basically we've got a fraction here, and at the moment we've got two quadratics, one in the numerator, one in the denominator. Now, the common mistake some students make is they start crossing off, or there's an x there, there's an x there, there's x squared there. Can't do that. What we need to do to start with is factorise the top and bottom. I'm not going to go into details of factorising. That's something you need to be looking at in a separate video. So if I factorise the top, then I get x plus 3, x minus 2, and on the bottom I'm going to end up with x minus 5, x minus 2. Now, if you're doing any of these questions, if you don't now have something on the top and something on the bottom that are the same, then you know you've probably made a mistake. So I can see that I've got x minus 2 and x minus 2 on the top and bottom. So if I cancel those factors out, then I'm left with just x plus 3 and x minus 5. It doesn't matter whether you put brackets around them or not, you can leave it like that. Second example, so slightly more complicated one. So I just included this because the factorising is a bit more complicated for the denominator anyway. So we've got on the top 3x, 2x plus 1, and on the bottom, so you should recognise that this is the difference of two squares. So we need to use the square root of that and the square root of that and plus and minus them. So it's 2x plus 1 over 2x minus 1. Now if you ever struggle to factorise the bottom, remember that they've got to cancel down. So if you've got something like this, it's pretty likely that you're going to get 2x plus 1 being a factor on the bottom, which actually is what happened when we factorise it. Now that's the same as that, so I can cancel them. So we've ended up with 3x over 2x minus 1. Final question then. Right, 1 over x plus 4 plus 2 over x minus 4 is a single fraction in the simplest form. So with any adding of fractions, we need a common denominator. So with this one, I'm going to have the common denominator where I've got x plus 4 and x minus 4. So for this to be written as something over x plus 4, x minus 4, I've obviously times the denominator by x minus 4, so I've got to times the numerator by x minus 4. And this one, well, for it to be over x plus 4, x minus 4, I need to multiply x minus 4 by x plus 4. So I need to do 2 times x plus 4. And there we have it. So we now have one fraction. All we need to do now is tidy up the numerator. So on the denominator we've got this. And on the numerator, so I've got x minus 4 plus 2x plus 8. Tidy that up, so I've got x and 2x added together, so it gives us 3x minus 4 plus 8 gives us plus 4. Now, I said on the previous example, brackets aren't important. When you have more than one term, you need to separate them with the brackets. Okay, well I hope that's helped you.